This is an amplifier, and today I decided I'm going to customise it. But I'm only doing the top, so that means I've had to unscrew it. Now it's time to spray paint this buddy. Spray painting done, now it's time for the sketching. Now it's time for the colouring. I'm actually on a Zoom call for this bit, so that's why you can see the zoom in the background. And here it is, the final result. Oh no, it's too heavy, I can't move it.